Nokia reportedly will soon launching their new smartphones this year. The brand reportedly will also change their latest smartphones' names. Rumors said Nokia Mobile will launch a smartphone called the G10 in Russia. According to Nokia Mob, Nokia will change its latest smartphones' names and removing the signature dot on their smartphones. The new name reportedly will be used starting from this year. There is no official information related to the rumors, but many people in the industry had known that the latest smartphone's name from Nokia will only use a combination of letters and numbers. According to BGR, Nokia will soon adopt an alphanumeric naming system for its upcoming smartphones. A report also says the latest smartphone from Nokia is predicted to come with the model number TA1134. In addition, the G10 is rumored to be a smartphone that focuses on gaming. If that is true, then the G10 will compete along with Asus ROG, Black Shark, and Nubia Red Magic. This report further suggests that the smartphone would probably come with an anonymous octa-core chipset, a 48-megapixel rear camera setup, and a 6.4-inch display. A Russian website, Rhythm.ru, also hints some features on Nokia G10. According to the website, the G10 will have 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage.